Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Bunchen.
Hi Lian, happy birthday. Enjoy your special day and I wish you happiness in everyday life. Sabi nga ni Jollibee, bida ang saya.
Hello Lian! Happy birthday and I wish you the best in life. And ingat ka palagi dyan and sana tirahan mo ka ng Shanghai. Bye-bye!
Hello Lian, happy 18th birthday. Wish you all the best and good luck sa studies mo. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Lian! Happy birthday, Lian! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Lian! Happy 18th birthday! Happy birthday! Ingat always! God bless you!
All the luck.
Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Lian. We hope that you reach your success in your life. Stay sweet and beautiful. Take care all the time. And love your mom, dad, and your brother.
Hi Lian, ako happy 18th birthday to you. More birthdays to come and good luck to you. Happy birthday again.
Hi Lian! Welcome to adulthood. May you have an amazing 18th birthday and bright future ahead. It's time to start your dreams come true. Enjoy and be a good girl always. Be humble. And syempre, aral kang mabuti. Enjoy your party. Bye!
Happy 18th birthday, Lian. Hi, Be. Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Lian.
Happy 18th birthday, Lian.
Happy 18th birthday, Lian.
Hi.
Hi, Lian.
Hi, Lian. Happy
birthday.
birthday.
Enjoy your birthday.
Hope your day is going well. Have a great birthday. And we look forward to seeing you sometime. Happy birthday.
Wait, Athena. Come here, Athena.
And here's our granddaughter, Tina.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lian.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ate Lian.
Happy birthday Lian! Happy birthday na Lian! Say, happy birthday Ate Lian!
Kisses.
Say happy birthday.
Hi Lian! Happy 18th birthday! This is Uncle Yul Wing from United Arab Emirates. My wish for you is to finish your study, be a good daughter and sister to Leon. God bless you. Enjoy your day. Once again, happy 18th birthday from Lola Vicky.
Hello, Ate Lian. This is Sultana. Happy 18th birthday. God bless you and your family. From me, mommy, daddy, and Noah Vicky's family.
Hi Lian! Happy birthday! Hi, I wish you all the best. Stay healthy always. And God bless you. I love you. Happy birthday!
Hi, Lian. Happy 18th birthday. You're not a kid anymore. Welcome to adulthood. I wish you achieve all your dreams. All the best to you. Always remember, put God first and love your parents and your granny and your titas. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday. I love you.
Hi Lian, happy 18th birthday. May all your wishes
and dream come true. And always find the courage to pursue your dreams. And I wish you all the best. Happy birthday, cousin.
I love you.
I love you.
Enjoy your day. Bye. Hello. Hi, Lian. Happy birthday. Oh. Happy birthday, Lian. I wish that may you have a many more birthdays to come and more blessing and be a good girl to your mom and dad. I love you. Bakasyon ka ulit dito. Bye. Enjoy your birthday.
Happy 18th birthday, Lian! Welcome to adulthood! Cheers! Boom, 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 boom.